Hello everyone, and today is change summer to winter tires day for Tanya's main car, the GS350 all-wheel drive. So we're putting Blizzak's WS90. We like that tire very much. It's a three-peak snow mountain rated with the snowflake. They kind of let me see where the M&S rating is. It's designated M&S, but we love it as a winter tire. Yes, it's good for snow. This is, I think, the third or the second year that we're running with these tires for her GS, and we like it very much. So that's about it. I'll let you know how this goes, but we're changing her tires today. Hello, and welcome to another really short video from the Tandem trail. We changed Tanya's tires from the Michelin Primacy MX M4, the summer ones, to the Blizzak's WS90. So this is 235/45 on an 18-inch rim, and Tanya has been very happy with those Blizzaks. Car is stable. Yes, obviously it's a all-wheel drive, and the GS has a clutch-based kind of torque shifting that it can go. Usually it's 70/30, but with the clutch-based center differential, it can go to 50/50, and of course it has a snow sensing mode, so it's really stable in Colorado when we're driving it during winter. It's a really nice car. Tanya doesn't want to change it, although it's quite, of age at the moment, but the GS has been phenomenal for us. I can't say enough how happy we are with the Primacy MX M4. Michelin is a fantastic tire. Of course, Bridgestone is up there too, but we use them for when we can't get Michelins or Nokians, we get Bridgestones. So that's about it. That's what I wanted to share. We're changing to winter tires our Land Cruiser 250 tomorrow as well. We are changing to winter tires our LX 470 today as well. Okay, see you and have a great day. Yay, I'm quite happy.